Welcome to the phase 2 of ASSON Tech Hub training program. I'm Suleiman Adam, the coordinator, and I will be walking you through on what to expect as we start this new journey with focus on web development and data analysis using R. I want to start by congratulating you all for showing interest in building practical tech skill beyond the classroom. This phase is full of package. You will be learning how to write code, building web pages, and analyzing datasets like a professional. Whether you have been with us from phase 1 or you are just joining us for the first time, remember, you are in the right place. ASSON Tech Hub is a student-driven initiative from the Department of Statistics, Federal University of Lafia, created to empower students with digital, analytical, and tech skills. Our vision is to foster innovation, collaboration, and skills development among our members, empowering each of the members to make impactful contributions to the tech community and the society at large. Our mission is to provide consistent learning opportunity, mentorship, and support network. Whether you are just starting out in tech or have advanced skills, our community will have a place for you to grow, share, and achieve. The phase 2 program of ASSON Tech Hub will run on Wednesday and Saturdays only, keeping your academic workload in mind. You will receive hand-on training, work on assignments, and complete a final project. All sessions will be practical and interactive, fully online based. But when the need for offline arises, we will also try to organize an offline program. So, have it in mind that you need to install some certain software for this phase. One of the software you need is Visual Studio Code. You need the Visual Studio Code because that is the IDE we are going to be using for writing the programming languages that we'll be using for our web development. You also need to have a browser installed on your system, so it can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, etc. Then you need to install R, which is what we'll be using for data analysis, and also install RStudio, which is the IDE that we'll be using in writing our R programming. This phase is broken down into 2 courses: web development and data analysis using R. For web development, we'll look at HTML, which gives structure to web pages. We'll also treat CSS, which make them beautiful. And we'll also look at JavaScript, which make the structures of the web pages to be functional and interactive. For data analysis using R, it's completely beginner friendly. You will learn how to load and clean data, create charts and visuals, perform basic to intermediate statistical analysis using R. By the end of this phase, you should be able to build a complete web page, write clean code using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, use R for cleaning, analyzing, and visualizing data, present your work in a structured and meaningful way. To get the most out of this program, it's a must for you to do the following 3 things. 1. Attend all sessions on time. Don't be absent from any of the session. Being it a live interactive session or a recorded session, try to attend and attend it on time. Submit your assignment promptly. Assignments have a submission date and a closing date. You must submit your assignment before the closure of the portal for the submission of the assignment. Always be active. And again, don't be afraid to ask questions or provide help to others when needed. This isn't just a class, it's a learning and collaborative community. Our channel of communications includes the following. We use WhatsApp for announcements and quick updates. We use Google Drive for submission of assignments through the use of Google Form. We use Google Meet for live session, where the mentor delivers the class directly to the member of the community, and the member gets to ask a question and get the answer instantly through the live session. We also use YouTube for our uploaded recorded lesson. We record most of the classes and upload them to an official YouTube channel. And the YouTube channel name is LogTech. The link is what is displaying below. Assessment and recognition. You will be assessed based on three things. 1. Attendance. Secondly, weekly task. And finally, is your final mini project. At the end, certificates will be awarded to active participants who complete the training and submit their project. You can also showcase your project in your portfolio. Remember, success doesn't come from perfection. It comes from consistency. Even if you are new to coding or data analysis, show up, ask questions, and practice. Let's build something meaningful together. Welcome once again to phase 2 of ASSON Tech Hub training program. Let's begin.